Did you know that in just a few minutes, thousands of people in the Philippines have opened XM trading accounts and received a $30 bonus without depositing a single cent? It may sound too good to be true, but it's real. You don't need any upfront capital, no complicated paperwork, and it's 100% legal because XM is a globally recognized and regulated trading platform. However, here's the catch. If you don't do it correctly from the start, your account might be rejected, the bonus won't arrive, and worse, you might lose the chance to use your personal information for registration ever again. That's why I want to walk you through the exact steps to open an XM account properly, step by step, clear, and beginner-friendly, so you can claim your $30 bonus and start your trading journey smoothly and safely. Many beginners have made simple but costly mistakes. They entered names that didn't match their ID, used unofficial email addresses, picked the wrong account type, or failed to verify their address correctly. These errors caused them to lose time, miss out on the bonus, and sometimes even get blocked from registering again. So, follow these 3 steps carefully to ensure everything goes smoothly. Step 1. Register your account. Click the official XM link I've placed in the video description. There, enter your full name exactly as shown on your government ID or passport. Select Philippines as your country. Use your real personal email and an active phone number. When choosing your account type, I recommend selecting Standard. It's the easiest option for beginners. For currency, you can choose either USD or PHP. Make sure your password is strong. Use uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and at least 8 characters. Important: do not use a VPN or fake information. XM's system is very strict and will detect and reject invalid entries almost instantly. Step 2. Verify your account. After registration, you'll receive a confirmation email from XM. Click the link inside to activate your account. Next, prepare 2 documents: a valid government-issued ID, like a national ID card or passport, proof of address, like a utility bill, bank statement, or driver's license showing your address clearly. If you have a smartphone, I recommend using the XM app to take clear photos and upload your documents. This speeds up the approval process. Step 3. Claim your $30 bonus. Once your account is approved, usually within 24 hours, you'll see a button that says Claim your $30 bonus in your dashboard. Click it, verify your phone number via SMS, and the $30 will be instantly credited to your real account. You don't need to deposit anything. From there, you can start trading on the MT4 or MT5 platforms. Both desktop and mobile versions are available. But please be cautious with what comes next. Don't rush to deposit real money. Many beginners, out of excitement, deposit funds and open large trades right away, only to lose it all within a few days. Don't make that mistake. Start with a demo account. Spend a few days getting familiar with the platform, observing how the market works, practicing with small trades, and learning how to set stop-loss orders to protect your capital. XM's own research shows that successful traders are those who start small, stay disciplined, and learn how to manage risks before chasing profits. Let me tell you about my friend Miguel from Davao. He started with the $30 bonus too. Didn't deposit a single peso at first. He just wanted to test whether Forex trading suited him. After 1 month, Miguel made a $45 profit. Not a huge amount, but it taught him how the market reacts, which strategies worked for him, and, most importantly, he lost nothing. Now Miguel has deposited around $300 of his own money and consistently earns a side income every week. It's not magic, it's the result of starting the right way. Now you've got a clear path. No need for a big budget, no need for complex technology. The only thing you need is seriousness, and to do it right from the very first step. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button. It gives me motivation to create more content like this. And if you'd like me to make a follow-up video on basic trading tutorials or how to withdraw funds safely, leave a comment below saying, Ready XM. Lastly, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more smart investing tips, created especially for the 50+ community in the Philippines.